dog's name is Olive. I like to play fetch with my dog. Mine's a fish. I have a pet dog. My dog's name is Stella. I like to play with her. My dog is named Stanley. Play fetch or something. My dog name is Mo. I like to watch TV with my dog. I have 2 dogs. One's named Rusty and one's named Oil. I named one Oil because he was black and white. And I like to play fetch with my dogs.
This is just some of the donations we got from the Assawamsett at school today. They support us every year. And I'd like to thank Lakeville Animal Hospital and Woodland Animal Clinic in Freetown for their help during the year.